What is going on, guys? The Mexican Sneakerhead being in the video. So as you can see on the screen, we're going to be online camping. This time it's for the Derek Jeter 1s and the Black Toe 14s. So let's see, hopefully we get pairs. So yeah, we got 20 seconds on the clock. So yeah, let's get it, man. This is just crazy. You know, a lot of people have been going crazy for these. I like the colorway and the stripes and all that shit with the gold. It looks good. So yeah, we got 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're about to get fast right now. So 10. Add these two. I'm gonna go about 9.5 on these. So you see how it goes. Oh, what happened there? Oh shit. What's happening with Nike? Yo, this shit is crashing. This shit is really crashing. It's been a long time since Nike be crashing. Damn. Oh, I'm bugging. What? What's going on, Nike? Damn. Well, these Black Toe 14s is crazy, man. I really like them. Like one of my favorite Jordans. Yo, what the hell? You see that? It's fucking crashing. It's not letting me add a card none. That's crazy. Like, what the hell? Is not letting me wait or nothing. It's just there like that. That's crazy. Look at that. What the fuck? Does that even say it's in my car or something? I don't know. Look, what the fuck is that, yo? What is that, man? Like, what the fuck you trying to tell me, son? Just tell me. Oh shit, I'm not good at math. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck, Nike? Now you're crashing on the checkout. Can't even look if they in my car or not. Yo, what the fuck? You didn't even let me solve the math problem, even though I was gonna fuck up. I'm really bad at math, yo. I was about to fuck up OD. Yo, what the fuck? So just add to my cart. What's wrong with you, Nike? Y'all really crashing. Look at my phone is crashing too. It's not even letting me load. Yo, this shit is crazy. This shit is really crazy right now. Oh, now I want to say something. Sorry, there's a problem processing your request. Please try to add a card again. Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. It's not like I'm gonna give up. That shit crashed. Now my whole fucking website crashed. Look at that shit. Nike playing games right now. Oh well. Gotta wait. This shit is crashing. Oh shit. Yo, my computer couldn't handle this shit. Look at that shit. Shit's crashed. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, my shit really crashed. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Give me the lag switch. Nah. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, nah, but this shit really crashed a lot, yo. Oh, 5 plus, that's 8. Nah, I'm playing. Yo, what the fuck? How the fuck do I send this shit? Oh, waiting my turn, yo. Let's get it. I'm waiting my turn on my phone too. As you can see. We lit. Yo, but what the fuck happened with the blacks? Because I really wanted the blacks to 14s. Ooh, we about to get in line. Come on, let me get in line. I know it's like 5 minutes into this release, whatever, but at least let me get to line. Again, yo, this one is hard. Do I have to press enter? Oh, wait, there we go. Oh, shit, we waiting on a turn. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, this is the first time I ever got the math problems, yo. That shit's crazy. No, nothing in my cart yet. Let me refresh that because this shit playing. Oh, come on. Just be in my cart. Fuck. Damn. Shit crashing a lot, man. This shit is crashing a lot. This shit is really crashing. Damn. You can't just let me wait in line. Feel me? See, like, what the fuck? Like, Nike never act up like this. Like, it's been a while. Uh-oh. You know what that means. When that shit freezes like that, it's about to say, congrats, it's in your cart. Watch. Watch right now. It's gonna be like, yo, this shit is in your cart. Check out now. Damn, son. I really wanted the 1s and the 14s. I mean, the 14s is too dope, yo. I don't mind paying resale price for 14s, yo. I'm gonna have to do a meetup or something, yo. Cause them shits is tough. Hell yeah, these shits is tough. The 1s is tough too, man. Yeah, so literally we not getting shit. This shit is fucking crashing a lot, man. Thank you, Nike, for fucking crashing. Oh, that's all about it, man. We went crazy for these, man. New York was crazy for these. Everything was crazy. So yeah, man. Thanks for watching. This has been a Mexican Sneakerhead. And can we get a like and comment for Nike crashing? Nah, but yeah, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm out. Peace.